Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix could not connect Bluetooth error on Windows 11. When this error appears, when we want to connect any device with your laptop and press Add Devices and press Bluetooth, you will find this error could not connect. How to fix this error? Let's start. Minimize this window. Click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar Services. And click on Services gear icon. This window will appear. On this window, you will find here Bluetooth for Services, and right click on it and go to Properties. On this window, select Automatic Startup Type and press Apply button. Now find and select Bluetooth User Support Services, right click on it and click Start option. This service will start. After applying these settings, your problem might be resolved. If your problem is persist, right click on Windows 11 icon and go to Device Manager. This window will appear. On this window, you will find all devices that are installed in your PC or laptop. Now select the Bluetooth and click on cross icon and uninstall the driver that are installed earlier. After that, click on screen icon and scan the hardware again. To do this, driver will be installed automatically from your operating system. You can see here driver are installing. Now expand the Bluetooth option. You can see all drivers are installed that might be missing from your operating system. Now minimize this window and check the problem is resolved or not. Go to Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now on this radio button and click on Add Devices. Now click on Bluetooth. You can see here. Now there is no any error message appear. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to resolve your problem. Also, this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.